This is very wrong. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. First mistake here is this Allah. Now, where do you say la? Where do you say la? You say la when you have a kasra like this that preceded the name of Allah. You say Bismillah. But if it is Fatiha, like Allahu, because of Fatiha that preceded it, you say Allah. If it is kasra like this, you say Bismillah, not Bismillah. If this meme takes Dhamma, you will call it what? Like when you say Ismullahi, Ismullahi. You cannot say Ismullahi. Hey, this is Bismillahi, not Bismillahi. And if you say Ar-Rahman, you have changed this ha to ha. And here is ha, not ha. That is why I say Ar-Rah, not Ar-Rah, Ar-Rahman. Here, Ar-Rahim. Here also is also ha, not ha. Now, the correct reading now is Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. The first mistake here is this ha, this first letter here. Changing this first letter to how instead of ha is a mistake. Some people change it. Instead of saying ha, they call it ha. They change it to how. Here, that is number one. Number two, alamin. If you say alamin, this is ain. If you say alamin, it means you have changed it to amza. That is alamin. And this one is alamin. Now, the correct reading is alhamdu. Alhamdu. It is not alhamdu. Lillahi Rabbil Alamin. Alamin. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim is wrong. Here, when you say Ar-Rahman, it means you have changed this how. This is how. You have changed it to how. And this one is ha, not how. The same thing applicable to this one here also. You have changed this how, this ha into how. It is not Ar-Rahim. Here is what? Ar-Rahmani Ar-Rahim. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Here is Maliki, not Maliki. There's Alif Maddi after this meme. This is Maliki Yawmi, and here is Shadda. There's just Shadda on Dal. Yawmiddin. Maliki Yawmiddin. But there are some riwayah. There is the other method of reading Quran that they will abrogate this Alif Maddi. It will be Maliki. But here, there is no riwayah that said you should abrogate the Shadda on Dal. You can see some people reading Maliki Yawmiddin. But you will see some changes in all other verses, some of the words of all other verses, if somebody reads it like that. But many people made the mistake of not giving this meme. It is mud, and there's mud here. Maddu asli. Maliki Yawmiddin. Maliki Yawmiddin. Help me share this video. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in is very wrong, because when you say Iyyaka, you have changed this one. This yaw, you didn't give it shadda, and it has changed the meaning also. That is the problem of this particular mistakes, because if you say Iyyaka na'budu, you have changed the meaning. Iyyaka means you alone, you Allah, we are going to worship. But you say Iyyaka without giving this yaw shadda, it means you are saying the sun we should worship. Do you understand also? Please take note of the mistake. Iyyaka na'budu. Don't say na'budu here, because this is ain, not hamza. Na'budu wa iyyaka. This is yaw shadda. Wa iyyaka nasta'in. Wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ain. This is ain, not nasta'in. This is not how, and it's not how. Ain, nasta'in. The correct reading. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Idina siratal mustaqim. This is very wrong. Why? Because this how you have changed it to be yaw, and this is short, not sin. If you say siroto, that is you've changed it to be sin. The correct reading is what? Ihdina siratal mustaqim. Help me share this video. Siratal lasina an'amta alayhim ghayril maghlubi alayhim walallalin is wrong. Why? Because this statement here is short, not si, not sirato, is what? Sirato. Sirato. You have to say that swing as if you are whistling. Sirato. Here is alladhina, not allesina. If you say allesina, you have changed this to sin, and the correct statement is alladhi, the alladhina an'amta alayhim ghayril maghdubi. This dot is dot, not lam. If you say maghlubi, you have changed this one to lam, and this correct statement is what? Maghdubi alayhim wala dolin. Here is dolin, not lolin. If you say wala lalin, it means you have changed this dot to lam, and it's very, very wrong. Now, the correct reading now is Siratal ladhina an'amta alayhim ghayril maghdubi alayhim waladdallin.